The fish. Oh my gosh. She predicted what I was gonna cook with. Ah, my eye. Sabaidi, hi everyone. I am from the land of Kumandra and I'm the personal chef to Princess Raya. So today we're gonna be showing you how to make her favorite stew, but through a very Lao perspective because that is my specialty. So let's go ahead and dive into the foods of Raya and the Last Dragon. Before we start cooking, I do want to show you some toys I got that are from the film Raya and the Last Dragon. So I got this cute little tuk-tuk. So tuk-tuk is the like pill bug slash armadillo that rolls up and then brings Raya everywhere on her journey, and I just love him so much. So cute. I also got, I saw this, it's a mysterious Raya and the Last Dragon, like what's in the box toy. Who is it? Oh, oh, oh! I got human sisu. So let's get cooking. Let's start with the stew, Gaeng no Mai Som. So the first thing is that we're gonna make a really simple curry paste. It's actually gonna be a really rough curry paste. So grab as many peppers as you like. Oh my gosh, Galapao, I'm trying to film. It's her favorite toy, Galapao. We're gonna take this away temporarily for filming. I also have some garlic that I'm gonna smash up and one large shallot. And lastly, the lemongrass. So with lemongrass, you wanna make sure you take the outer part of the stalk off. And then let's roughly dice everything and then put it in a mortar pestle. Just start smashing. So I live above someone, so how I like to go around that is put it on my stomach and smash. No noise. Forgot that smashing shallots so close to the face is gonna make me cry. And I'm getting emotional. Oh, my eye. Okay, I just finished smashing everything and we have it into a really rough paste. It kind of looks like this. Okay, technical difficulties. My audio kind of cut off, so I'm gonna be voice-overing some of this. And we're just gonna make it work. First thing you wanna do is grab a stew pot, a large one just like this. And then we're gonna add a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons to coat the bottom, because we're gonna be using this to saute. So go ahead and grab all that curry paste that we made earlier and add all of that right into the pan. It should start to sizzle. And then saute it for about 30 seconds. And then I like to add makrut lime leaves, smash it with your hands. And then also smash lemongrass and go ahead and put that right into the bowl. And then you wanna saute all of this for about a minute. And here I have the 1 pound of catfish that's already cut up. And then go ahead and pour all that catfish right on in. Again, saute all of this together, and then I have all this water that you want to make sure you put in before anything burns. And now I add a big pinch, 3-finger pinch of salt, and of course I have to add my MSG, so add that in there also. And this is the brand of sour bamboo I like to use. So you want to make sure you strain it just like this. It's really nice and thin looking, and it's really tasty. Pot is boiling. I have my bamboo shoots right here, and I'm just gonna add all the bamboo shoots right in. So let's wait until this gets back to a rolling boil. Cover it and let it simmer for the next 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes have passed. The next step, oh, it smells really good. So the next step is to go ahead and grab your green onions, sprinkle it all in there, and then your tomatoes, and lastly, the magic sauce, fish sauce. And just mix it up. And we're gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes. While the stew finishes up cooking, I do wanna show you all a special ingredient. It's gonna be the last ingredient I put in there. It is this very special basil. Not just regular basil, but I like to call it Lao basil. It's lemon basil because it's so fragrant in that lemony smell. It's really hard to source anywhere. I haven't found it in any grocery stores. I found it once at a farmer's market, but with this one, I was actually able to grow it by myself, so I'm really proud of it. but also sad at the same time because I did pluck the whole plant to have enough for the stew. So this is gonna be a very special dish for me. Lao basil. Just gently mix it around. You don't want to break up the catfish, so you want to be really gentle with this stew. So this is the last step. We're gonna add the lemon basil. Add the leaves and the thin parts on top to it. And the last step is to taste it. Make sure that it has enough salt, enough fish sauce. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Just like soothes my, soothes? Is that a word? It just soothes my soul, and it just reminds me of home. My mom grows a lot of lemon basil in the backyard, so it's been a while since I would have been able to cook with lemon basil, and it's just so good. Y'all, you need to try this. This is the stew from Raya and the Last Dragon. I'm gonna go and plate it now. I'm ready to dig in. We have Tuk Tuk and Sisu right next to me, and here is the finished stew. Ooh, can't wait to dig in. Oh man, that looks so good. Okay, so let's give it a try. Get some bamboo. It just tastes like home. This is really good. Go ahead and watch Raya and the Last Dragon. You will not be disappointed. It is a fun and epic ride. And I'll see you all next time on Saeng's Kitchen. Bye. Let's introduce Galapao to Tuk Tuk.